Hello everyone, myself Prashant Dilip Domkavade. I am from Pathurdi, Ahmednagar, and I complete my bachelor's degree in computer application. Today's video topic is collection in Java. Uh, the collection in Java is a framework that provide an uh, architecture to store, manipulate the group of objects. The Java collection can achieve all the operations that you perform the such as the searching, sorting, insertion, and the manipulate of detection. The Java collection means the single unit of object. Java collection framework provides many interface. The example, list, set, list, queue, dq, and chase, array list, vector link list, priority queue, hash set, link hash set, and tree set. The hotkeys collection in Java. The collection represents a single unit of object and a group. What is a framework in Java? It's provide the ready-made architecture. It's represent the set of class and interface. It optional. What is collection framework? The collection framework represent the unified the architecture of storing, manipulating of group of the object, and it has interface, and it's implementing class and algorithms. The 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 hierarchy of collection framework. Let us see a hierarchy collection framework. The Java until package contains the class and interface of the collection framework. uh, uh, Iterable. The types of collection. First one is list, second one queue, and third one is set. The types of list. In list, first one is array list, second one linked list, third one vector, and the types of vector is stack. The types of queue. First one is priority queue, second one is the dq, and dq. Set. The types of set: hash set and link hash set. uh, Hash set and link hash set. The methods of collection interface. Types of collection interface: there are many. Declare connection interface. uh, we discuss about some interface. First is public boolean add. It is used to insert an element in this collection. The public boolean add all. It is used to insert the specified collection elements in the invoking collection. The public boolean remove. It is used to delete an element. Uh, it is used to delete an element from the collection. uh, Fourth one is public remove all. It is used to delete all elements specific collection from the involving collection. The default boolean remove if it is used to delete all the elements of the specified collection from the invoking involving invoking collection. The public return all. The it is used to delete all elements in collection collection except the specified collections. Specified collection. Public int size. It returns the total number of elements in the collection. Public void clear. In remove the total number of elements from the collection. The public contains. It is used to search an element. The public contains all. It is used to search the specified collection of the collection in the collection. The public iterator. It is returns iterator. Public object array to array. It converts the collection collection to an array. The public boolean is empty. It checks the collection is empty or not. The default stream, parallel stream, it returns the possibility of parallel stream with the collection as it is source. The default stream is stream. It's written the sequential stream with the collection, and it is source. The public boolean equals, it match the two collections, or its content equals or not. The public int has hash code. It returns the hash code number of the collection. The the iterator interface, provide the facility of iterating the element forward direction only. Forward direction only. The method of iterator interface, there are three methods in iterator interface. First one is public boolean hash next. It returns the true in the iterator. Hash code elements, it returns the false. The public object next, it returns the element and moves the cursor point to the next element. The public void remove, it removes the last element written by the iterator. It less use iterable interface. The iterable interface is the root interface of all collection classes. The collection interface extend the iterable interface, and therefore of all subclasses of collection interface also implement the iterable interface. It contains only one abstract method. The collection interface is the interface which is implemented by the all classes in the collection framework. It declares the method that very collection will have. In other words, we can say that the collection interface builds the foundation on which the collection framework depends. The sum of the method of collection interface are boolean add all collection, void clear, etc., which is implemented by the all subclasses of collection interfaces. Next one is list interface. List interface is the child interface of collection interface. It inhabits list type data structure in which can do store order of collection objects. It can duplicates value. The interface is implemented by the classes ArrayList, linked list, vector, and stack. And the stacks, there are various method. List in that can be used insert, delete, and access the element of the list. Array list, the ArrayList class implemented the list interface. It is used to dynamic array to store duplicates elements of different data types. Different data types class maintain the insertion order, and it is known of the synchronize the elements stored. And ArrayList class be randomly access the following array list. The linked list is the implement the collection interface. It is used to double link list literally to store the elements. It can store the duplicate elements. It's maintain the insertion order, and it is not synchronized. The linked list is a manipulation of fast, because no shifting is required. Vector, use dynamic array to store the data elements. It is a similar array list. It is a synchronized and contains a method that are the not part of collection framework. Next one is stack. The stack is the subclass vector. It implements the last in the first out data structure. The stack contains all the methods of a vector, and the class provides it's the method like boolean push, boolean pick, boolean push object, which defines the Project of properties. The collection is a class interface that is each called collection framework. Thank you.